It's Paul, PGMcK, McKeown here, and thank you for investing the time to. So you see, the question I have for you is, what if you could tell which visitor coming to your landing page is more likely to make a purchase? Then what you could do is you could make an accurate guess even before they make the buying decision. It would be like having a crystal ball. And I, for one, would be pretty excited about the opportunities it could present. How about you? But this mercifully short presentation is not about me. It's all about you and your coaching business. Now, would that particular insight help you to grow your coaching business faster? Of course it would. How? By allocating more of your resources. In other words, showing them content appropriate to them and the blind spot or the challenge that they're having at this moment in time for your high ticket offering. And then once you have that intel in place, then what you could do is spend more of your retargeting marketing budget for all of these high ticket offering visitors. And then you could send targeted emails to these questions, answering their objections. For example, I made this video, I thought about you. And then what you could do is you could discover new ways to connect with them in other marketing channels. For example, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. And this strategy is what we call intent-based marketing. And you see, there are two major challenges that stop coaches, just like you, from utilizing these simple marketing strategies. And they're often thought of as being reserved for only the very biggest of the players in this industry. And you see, these challenges are, number one, high-value visitors, high-ticket offering visitors are visiting your site every single day. But you do not have a way at the moment of detecting these and tagging these. Now, most platforms out there, including Meta, including LinkedIn, including Twitter, TikTok, etc., do not offer a native solution to easily target these HTO visitors. Now, sure, on Facebook, you can track and target people who visit a specific page in your website landing page, but that tells you very little about their intent. For example, last week, 100 people visited, let's take an example. Last week, 100 people visited your most profitable landing page, but only 12 of them stayed on your landing page for 5 minutes or more. And only 6 of them did not finish, but started to complete your two-step checkout sequence. And by the way, I would always recommend a two-step checkout sequence. Now, which of these visitors do you think is more likely to make that buying decision? The 100 who visited the page, the 12 who spent 5 minutes or more on your sales page, or the 6 people who completed the first stage of the checkout? Well, I would say most likely B and C. So once we've discovered this, what do you think that we did next? So what we did was we implemented it through our entire collection of pages. Pages, now note I'm saying the word pages there, that would encompass there, let's say, some form of website. And then what we did was we implemented it for all of our iCanDOur customers. And this is really good news with lots of dollar signs at the end, and I'll tell you why. But let me first of all tell you the bad news. You see, unless you go out there, unless you hire a really talented, in brackets, expensive, very expensive sometimes, especially at this moment in this new economy, a really talented developer to custom code a script for you, then you will not be able to make use of this data. Plus, you will have to keep it up to date every single time there's an API update from LinkedIn or from Meta or from anybody. So intent-based, this is why you see intent-based marketing is believed to be reserved for the big guys in the industry only. But that's no longer the case, because you too can implement intent-based branding strategies in your coaching business. How? Well, we're hosting a free exclusive masterclass live training session, plus workshop, plus a live Q&A workshop 15 minutes after the webinar ends, every single Wednesday of this year, every single Wednesday. And we will reveal exactly how to do all of this on autopilot. So this is the why you should be doing this right now today. Plus, as I said, the live Q&A workshop, normally reserved for only our iCanDOur VIP clients. But we're opening the doors to 15 people, the first 15 people who register, plus For the first 9, what we're going to do is we're going to offer a free one-on-one 17.5-minute resolve your 2 challenges, not 1 challenge, but 2 challenges when it comes to online digital marketing session, where we will give you an immediate next step action plan, where you leave the session feeling refreshed, reinvigorated, re-energized about you and your coaching business. And then for the very, very first 6 people to attend, as long as you have not had one of these offers before, we're going to be positioning your message for free all the way to the top of Google page 1 for intent-based marketing keywords for their business. Now, you might not know what they are or not, but we can help you find them. And we will position you directly on top of your competitors, which is losing you money today. Can you imagine what a difference this could make to you and to your coaching business? So click on the link below right now. Now, if you see a waiting page, full disclosure, we are sorry, but all the free places have been booked out. Please add your name to the waiting list and we'll keep you updated when a place does become available. Or you can visit our premium training portal and you can get paid access today to all of these trainings. So don't delay. Try to book your free spot today and do it by clicking the link immediately below at the top of the comment section on this video.